WorkSaga AI is a new AI-powered software that just hit the market, and today, we're going to break down the 7 key things you absolutely need to know about it. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just looking to leverage AI to improve your workflow, WorkSaga could be a game changer. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes WorkSaga stand out, and if it's right for you. Now, if you're wondering whether WorkSaga AI is worth your time, let me just say this. You can actually try it for free through the first link below. That's right, no need to commit before you see what it's all about. So, what makes WorkSaga AI so special? First, this software brings a powerful combination of task automation and intelligent decision making, making it ideal for anyone looking to streamline their day-to-day operations. The standout feature here is its intuitive user interface. If you're coming from other software that requires a steep learning curve, you'll love how easy WorkSaga is to use. No technical skills are needed to set it up. WorkSaga AI is especially strong in managing workflows. If you're juggling multiple projects or managing a team, it can automatically assign tasks based on preset rules or priorities. This isn't just about tracking tasks. It's about creating efficiencies that reduce the workload and let your team focus on what truly matters. One of its best features is the ability to integrate with popular platforms like Slack, Google Workspace, and Trello. This means you don't have to switch between different apps to get things done. Everything is centralized, which is a huge time saver. And speaking of time saving, WorkSaga's automation engine is a big time saver. It can handle repetitive tasks like scheduling, reminders, and data entry without you having to lift a finger. Another thing that sets WorkSaga AI apart is its robust analytics dashboard. This isn't just a pretty graph. It provides actionable insights, helping you make better data-driven decisions. Whether you're tracking team performance, sales metrics, or project completion rates, WorkSaga delivers the insights you need to stay ahead of the curve. But what really makes WorkSaga AI shine is its flexibility. This software doesn't just offer cookie-cutter solutions. It adapts to your unique needs. Whether you're a freelancer or running a large-scale operation, you can customize workflows, task assignments, and even automation triggers to suit your specific requirements. If you're worried about security, WorkSaga has you covered there as well. It uses end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your data is safe. In a world where cybersecurity is more important than ever, knowing that your information is protected is a huge plus. Lastly, I have to mention how responsive WorkSaga's customer support is. In my experience, when dealing with new software, support can often be a pain point. But with WorkSaga, I found their team to be quick, helpful, and always ready to assist, whether you're troubleshooting or exploring new features. So, is WorkSaga AI worth trying? Absolutely. With its ease of use, powerful task automation, seamless integrations, and robust analytics, it's clear that this software is built for the modern worker who wants to save time and improve productivity. If you want to get started with WorkSaga AI, again, click the link in the description below to try it out for free. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that WorkSaga is among the best I've encountered. If you're looking for other AI tools to improve your workflow or business, make sure to check out my list of recommended AI software in the description. These tools have all helped streamline my operations,